ready to ditch the drag and drop and unlock the full potential of your website. Today, we're showing you how to move from hosting or website builder to the incredibly versatile world of self-hosted WordPress. First things first, we need to grab your content from Hostinger. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct export feature for moving content to WordPress. This means we'll be doing some manual work. Carefully copy all the text content and download all the images from your Hostinger site. Organize these files in a folder on your computer. Next, it's time to set up your WordPress hosting. Choose a reliable hosting provider that specializes in WordPress and select a hosting plan that fits your needs. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation. Follow their prompts to install WordPress on your domain. Now, log into your brand new WordPress dashboard. It's time to customize your website. First, choose a WordPress theme that suits your brand. Head over to the Appearance section and explore the free themes, or upload a premium theme if you have one. With your theme in place, it's time to bring in your content. Create new pages or posts in WordPress and manually copy and paste the text you saved earlier. Upload the corresponding images to each page or post. Recreate your website structure, menus, and pages. Finally, enhance your WordPress site with plugins. Install plugins for SEO, security, contact forms, and anything else you need to create the perfect user experience. And that's it. You've successfully migrated from hosting or website builder to WordPress. Enjoy the flexibility and power of your new WordPress website.